Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 8th question in exercise 7.14. The demand and supply functions under pure competition are P is equal to 16 minus x squared and P is equal to 2x squared plus 4 respectively. Find consumer surplus and producer surplus. See, under pure competition, it means that your PD will be equal to PS. P is given to be equal to 16 minus x squared and the PS is nothing but 2x squared plus 4. So let's find out what is x naught. So 16 minus x naught squared is equal to 2 into x naught squared plus 4. So if you reorganize, 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 is equal to 3 x naught squared, or x naught squared is equal to 4. So x naught is equal to plus or minus 2. However, we don't have x naught cannot be negative. So x naught's value is going to be equal to 2. Now let's compute the P naught. So P naught is going to be equal to 16 minus 2 squared. So 16 minus 2 squared. So 2 squared is 4. So 16 minus 4. So P naught is going to be equal to 12. Now let's calculate consumer surplus. So consumer surplus is going to be integral 0 to x naught, your PD function minus x naught P naught. So this is going to be integral 0 to 2, 16 minus x squared. Then there is a minus of x naught P naught. So 2 into 12, that is equal to 24. So this is 16x minus x cubed by 3 between the limits 0 to 2. And then there is a minus 24. So CS is going to be equal to, let's apply the upper limit. 16 into 2 is 32. Minus 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 8 by 3 minus 24. So 32 minus 24 is going to be 8. So 8 minus 8 by 3. So you take LCM, 8 3s are 24 minus 8. So this is 16 by 3. So this is going to be equal to consumer surplus. So consumer surplus is 16 by 3. Now let's find out producer surplus. Producer surplus is going to be equal to x naught P naught minus integral 0 to x naught, your PS function. So this is x naught P naught is going to be 12 2s are 24 minus integral 0 to 2. This time the function is 2x squared plus 4. So let's perform the integration. So this is going to be equal to 24 minus of 2x cubed by 3 plus 4x between the limits 0 to 2. So PS is going to be equal to 24 minus, let's apply the upper limit. 2 cube is going to be 8. 8 into 2 is 16. So this is 16 by 3 plus this is 4 into 2 is 8. Anyway, when I apply the lower limit, everything is 0. So this is going to be 24 minus 16 by 3 minus 8. So this is 16 minus 16 by 3. You take LCM, 16 3s are 48 minus 16. So 32 by 3. So the producer surplus is going to be equal to 32 divided by 3. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 9th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.